Fighter jets are advanced military aircraft designed for air-to-air combat and often have capabilities for ground attack missions. Some key features of fighter jets include speed and maneuverability. Fighter jets are known for their high speed and maneuverability, allowing them to outperform and outmaneuver opponents in dogfights. Weapons systems. They are equipped with a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, guns, and sometimes air-to-ground munitions. Advanced radar and targeting systems enhance their accuracy. Roles. Fighter jets have evolved to serve various roles, not just air superiority. Multi-role fighters can perform air-to-ground attacks, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Stealth technology. Some modern fighter jets incorporate stealth technology to reduce their radar cross-section, making them more difficult to detect by enemy radar. Notable examples: F-22 Raptor, known for its advanced avionics and agility. F-35 Lightning II, a family of multi-role fighters with variants for different roles. Su-35, a Russian fighter known for its agility and advanced systems. Generations. Fighter jets are categorized into generations, e.g., 4th, 5th, representing advancements in technology, avionics, and capabilities. Training and pilots. Pilots undergo rigorous training to handle the complexity of fighter jets. They require exceptional skills to operate in high-stakes scenarios. Global usage. Many countries around the world operate and continuously upgrade their fleet of fighter jets for defense purposes. Ongoing developments. Research and development in aerospace technology continue to shape the future of fighter jets, with a focus on autonomous systems and advanced weaponry.